Another day, another English lesson. Subtle difference. Remember plus infinitive or gerund. The verb remember can be followed by either an infinitive, to plus verb, or a gerund, verb plus ing, but the meaning changes depending on which form you use. Let's explore how this works in a natural, conversational way. 1. Remember plus infinitive, to plus verb. When remember is followed by an infinitive, it means you recall something you need to do in the future, or that you were supposed to do. It's about remembering a task that hasn't been finished. I remembered to buy milk. I remembered the task, to buy milk, and did it. Did you remember to call your mom? Did you remember that task, to call your mom, and did you do it? Here, the action happens after remembering. 2. Remember plus gerund, verb plus ing. When remember is followed by a gerund, it means you remember something you did in the past. It's about a memory of a finished action. I remember buying milk. I have a memory of buying milk at some point in the past. Do you remember calling your mom? Do you have a memory of doing this in the past? Here, the action happened before remembering. It's a past experience. Key differences. Remember, plus infinitive, to plus verb. Future-oriented, remembering before doing. Remember, plus gerund, verb plus ing. Past-oriented, remembering after doing. This small change in structure makes a big difference in meaning. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the infinitive or gerund of the verb in parentheses. One. He remembers breaking his arm during a soccer game. 2. She needs to remember to renew her passport next month. 3. Be sure to remember to charge your phone tonight. 4. She remembers winning her first art competition. 5. We remember getting caught in the rain without umbrellas. 6. Remember to check your mirror before changing lanes. 7. I must remember to water the plants while you're away. Water. 8. Do you remember building sandcastles at the beach on? 9. We should remember to bring snacks for the road trip. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.